Good morning, everyone. Let's settle down. Today, we are diving into the basics of C programming. But first, tell me, who finds C programming tough? No shame in that. Let me share a little story. When I was a student like you, I couldn't make sense of C programming. It felt like a foreign language. One day, my professor gave me a simple analogy that changed everything.
What was it, sir?
He told me to imagine programming as cooking. Variables are your ingredients, loops are repetitive tasks like stirring, and functions are recipes, steps you can reuse anytime. Take printf, for example. It's like announcing to the world, "Hey, here's what I made." And scanf is like listening. What ingredients do you want me to use? Programming is just like life. You solve big problems by breaking them into smaller steps. Let's see this in action. First, we declare our variables, our ingredients. Then we use scanf to get input. And finally, we print the result. Simple, right?
Sir, so, variables are like placeholders for ingredients?
Exactly, Aniket. You've got it.
Sir, thank you for breaking it down. It finally makes sense now.
But remember, Aniket, every big problem is just a series of small steps. Keep practicing, and you'll master it.
I want to thank Professor for teaching us not just C programming, but how to tackle challenges in life. Thank you, sir.